as quickly as possible, I'm going to tell you about the IIoT, or Industrial Internet of Things. Maybe back in 2014 was the first time I ever heard of Industrial Internet of Things. I was a little offended because I've been in the Industrial Internet of Things for a very long time. It's a new term, but the field has really been in there for like 30, 40 years. So around 2005, they came out with the first Arduino board. This is an Arduino Leonardo. It's $10, but back then the first board was like 20 or 30 bucks. I don't know. But I thought it was really cool because it was really one of the first affordable and easy to use microcontrollers. So I loved it a lot because I had been spending my life with industrial things. Of course, these are several thousands of dollars. This is a PLC or an RTU, programmable logic controller. That's what this is. These things run infrastructure like the city, you know, the stoplights. They're running on a PLC. This is an Emerson flow computer. This thing measures gas out in the oil field. These things cost a lot of money. Of course, they're ruggedized for the environments they have to live in, so they're going to be more expensive. But the emergence of affordable technology is driving down the cost, especially for the consumer. So the Internet of Things is absolutely revolutionizing cost and the number of things that are just connected. So you can have all kinds of stuff in your house connected. Your car can send you emails, tell you when it needs servicing or whatever. The Industrial Internet of Things, some people are kind of framing it as though, hey, this is brand new, there's all this technology and things can be connected now. Well, we've kind of been doing this for a very long time. It's just that it was harder, it was more expensive. You know, it's getting easier, but industries usually kind of fall behind the curve. So consumers can pick up things quickly, but industries have to invest millions of dollars. So here's an example of someone that spends a lot of money on automation. Nestle that makes cookies. You wouldn't think that they would be heavily into automation, but it takes a lot of automation to make millions of cookies every day. So they are a huge consumer of the Industrial Internet of Things. I don't do nothing with Nestle. I'm in oil and gas. So oil and gas, we've been relying on this technology to help drive down costs and keep things safer for a very long time. I think it's just exciting that there's more work being done on maybe standardizing technologies so that it's easier to connect things together. That's always a big fight. Someone comes up with something proprietary and it doesn't communicate to something else. So as an insider, the Industrial Internet of Things is kind of a buzzword. I would say before the Industrial Internet of Things, we would call it something like ICS, Industrial Control System, MES, Manufacturing Execution System, like someone that makes cookies, SCADA, Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. That's a distributed control system like water, wastewater, and city infrastructure and oil and gas. And there are a lot of other acronyms, and I guess the Industrial Internet of Things kinds of brings some new attention to our field, and I guess that's about it.